channel. So it is a Friday and it's December. What do we do on Fridays in December?
We bake.
That's right, we bake. So every Friday this month, I'm going to be uploading a baking video for y'all. Tonight we're going to be making snickerdoodle cookies, which is really easy to do for my people that don't do a lot of baking. This is one of those cookies that you cannot mess up. You don't have to chill it before you bake it like you have to do some cookies. But Livia is ready. She has on her apron. It says Mama's Helper with her name on it. Y'all, here's the ingredients that we're going to be using. I'll have all the exact measurements in the description down below. But right here we have some all-purpose flour, some brown sugar, ground cinnamon, 2 large eggs, vanilla extract, cream of tartar, and baking powder, 2 sticks of butter at room temperature. You want to make sure it's room temperature, and granulated sugar. Before you mix your ingredients, you want to preheat your oven too. Where are you going to preheat your oven to? Good job. So we're just going to start off by putting our room temperature butter into our mixing bowl along with some of our granulated sugar. Be careful not to use all your sugar. You want to leave about a 1/4 cup of the sugar out because you will need to roll your cookies in it before we bake them. About 2 weeks ago, I found a recipe on these snickerdoodle cookies, and y'all, it was not good at all. Only thing you tasted was dough. So this recipe here that I'm using is one that I come up with on my own. If you use it, please let me know. I'm just going to scrape the butter down all the sides of my bowl. And now you can go ahead and start adding in your dry ingredients. Whenever you start with your flour, don't dump all of it in at one time.
Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on.
Your cream of tartar and your baking powder.
All night long, we're gonna dance and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.
You will go ahead and add in the rest of your flour. Now you can go ahead and finish adding in the rest of your ingredients, which would just be your 2 eggs and your vanilla extract.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out.
Now it should look something like this. Now we're going to go ahead and add our ground cinnamon into our remainder of sugar. Go ahead, add it in. Add it in, Riri.
A little bit.
Yep, just dump it in. No. Dump it into here. Dump it in. Yep, dump it in. Dump it in.
The whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing. Alright, and we're going to give that a quick stir. Go ahead, mix it.
Because I never do. What's that coming in?
And I can promise.
Now I'm just going to take my cookie scoop and scoop it out, and we're going to roll it into our cinnamon and sugar mixture.
In Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Let them bake at 375 for 10 to 15 minutes. And this is what they look like when they're done. Y'all, I promise you'll love the way your house smells while you're baking these. They're so soft and chewy. They've really become our favorite cookie.
Dad.
You like it? Is it yum? How do we do? Did we do good?
Yeah.
Give me 5, girl.
We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
Olivia, they good?
Yeah.
You want to sit there and eat them all? You want to try to, right? Alright, y'all, so that's it for this video. I told y'all it was going to be super simple. Make sure you're subscribed and you have your bell notifications turned on so whenever I do upload videos like this, you'll be notified. Like I said, the month of December, every Friday, I'll be uploading a baking video. With stuff like this, super simple, anyone can do. She obviously loves them, but that's it, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true.